All right, guys, Google just went all in. This is the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold, the most advanced foldable Google has ever made. And honestly, it might just be the foldable to beat in 2025. From that stunning 7.9-inch AMOLED inner display to the brand new Tensor G5 chip built for AI, this thing is packed with power, smarts, and yes, some crazy cool tricks that no other foldable is doing right now. First off, the design is sleeker, lighter, and that hinge, smooth as butter. No gaps, no wobble. Outside, you've got a 6.4-inch cover screen for quick stuff. Open it up and boom, you're looking at a tablet-sized screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate that's gorgeous for gaming, movies, or multitasking. Under the hood is the Tensor G5 chip, tuned for Google's next-gen AI. We're talking instant translation, live captioning, even speak-to-tweak, where you literally tell your phone how to edit a photo, and it just does it. Plus, it learns how you use your apps and adjusts performance on the fly. Pixel cameras are already legendary, but this triple lens setup with a 5x periscope zoom is on another level. Low light, no problem. Portraits, stunning. And with that foldable form, you can use the main camera for selfies that look pro level. Battery life, a solid all-day performer, thanks to a bigger cell and smart power management. You also get 45-watt fast charging, plus the new magnetic Pixel Snap wireless charging, which is actually way faster than before. So, is the Pixel 10 Pro Fold the best foldable of 2025? From what I'm seeing, absolutely. But hey, let me know what you think in the comments. Would you drop the cash for this beauty?